हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू दी oliveboard family. I hope, how are you? I hope you are great and you are preparing for our exam in a very well manner. So today I am here with another episode of winner series. So before, yes, so this is the tier 2 batch. If you are targeting tier 2 batch, if you are preparing for the tier 2 batch, so this is the best batch for you, right? So through this batch you can complete your syllabus very quickly in nutshell, and you can have the orientation about the latest pattern questions that can be asked in your coming exam, right? So let's start. So this is the question, first question. Some questions were left in last class or last live mock test analysis for RRB NTPC, right? So tell me, what is the answer of this question? See, so this question belong to DI section, and we get very easy questions from the DI section, right? Many students left such questions out of fear. Just they think that they have to read because the questions are in lengthy in view, right? And they are not able to understand the graph, right? See, the graph is very easy, just you have to read that, right? So everything is written, right? Everything is clear. The questions from DI sections are very easy, right? So if you are leaving that, it means you are losing your chance of selection, right? So my dear friends, I hope you are not going to leave that. Okay, so let's start. Question is on your screen. Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. Yes, please tell me, what is the answer of this question? Just read the question. See, the below pie chart shows the percentage distribution of lead valves of two brands, Philip and Havells, sold by a shopkeeper over 5 months, right? So this is the data of 5 months, right? So July, August, September and October. Yes. Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, the question is saying, if the number of lead valves for Philips and Havells sold in August. See, in August sold how many? 4200. If I focus, this is first is Philip pie chart and second is showing for Havells, right? So we can say that, see, August, the pink one, so that is 28, right? So this is 28%. See, so we can say that 28%, see, 28% is equal to what? 28% is equal to 4200, right? So we can say that, what is 100%? So we can say that 100% is equal to what? Just 4200 divided by 28 into 100. Just do this calculation, right? So we can calculate the 100%. So 100% is going to be 4200, sorry, 4200 divided by 28. Just use unitary method, right? So we can say that by 7 this is cancelled 4 times, by 7 this is cancelled 7 6 are 42, right? So by 4 this is cancelled 150 times. So we can say that 100% is total is 15,000, right? So here we can say that in August Havells is 48, right? So here is 15%, right? So we can say that 15%. So 15% is equal to, see, 15% is equal to 4800. So what is 100%? So we can say that 100% is going to be 4800 divided by 15 into 100, right? So we can say that 15 3s are 45, right? And 15 2s are 30, 0 0 0. So 32,000 in total, right? Now the question is saying, what is the ratio of the number of Havells lead valves sold in July and November? See, for Havells sold in July and August, right? So July and August, what? July and August, July and August. See, this is, so this is my mistake, I think. In August should be, yes, okay. So July and no problem. no mistake. July and November. See, July and November. So July is which one? July is this. So July is 25%. July. And November is this 20%, right? So we can say that 25 and 20%, right? So we can say that together going to be how much? 45%, right? So July plus November, 45% of this, right? Okay. And with the lead, Philip lead bulbs sold in September and October. So the September is 20%, okay, and October 12%. So together we can say that this is 32%. 32% of, yes. So we have to calculate the ratio. See, so we have to calculate 32,000, 45%. See, 32,000, 45% is to 15,000, 32%. Yes. So by 100 cancelled, 30 cancelled, okay. By 32 cancelled, right? So we can say that by 15 this is 3 times and this is 1 time. So 3:1 is the right answer. Yes. See how simple it is, right? So just you have to read the data carefully. If you are able to read the data and understand the data clearly, right? So in few seconds you can answer the question, right? So with ease you can answer the question. Now moving forward, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, when two chords are intersecting each other, so let's understand one concept. When two chords are intersecting each other in a circle, see this is a circle. This is a circle, right? If I say that there are two chords, they are intersecting each other internally, right? So AB and CD. So we can say that P is the meeting point. So take the distance from both ends to the meeting point. So we can say that AP. So AP into BP, right? Must be equal to CP into DP, right? So what is the concept or what is the logic? See, with similarity we can prove this, right? So you have to remember, we have to take the length from the both end of the chord, right? So both end to the meeting point. If chords are intersecting externally, right? If chords are intersecting externally like this, right? See, if they are intersecting externally, no problem. So AB, P is the meeting point and CD, right? So we can say that AP into the distance from both end of the chord to the meeting points, right? So start A to P, then B to P, right? This would be equal to C to P into D to P, right? So the point P is common in all, right? So using this formula you can solve this question with ease, right? Now solve this question. See, here the question is saying two chords AB and CD in a circle intersect in a point P such that length of AP, the length of AP is equal to 20% more than the length of PB, the length of PB, okay? And PB is 10. If PB is 10 centimeter, so we can say that AP is what? 20%. 20% of 10. 20% of 10 is what? 2. So we can say that it is going to be 12, right? So directly we can calculate. And CP is 5. CP is what? CP is 5 R centimeter. Okay. And PD is 40% less than. See, PD is 40% less than CP. 40% less than means it is 60%. So 60% what? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 of 5R. So we can say that 5 cancel. So this is equal to 3R, right? So PD is equal to 3R. Find the value of R. No need to draw the diagram, right? Directly we can say that, see, P is common. P is the intersection point. P is the intersection point, and A and B or C or D are the end point of the chord. So we can say that AP into BP must be equal to CP into DP, right? So we have P in all, right? So we can say that 12 into BP is what? 10, right? Must be equal to 5R into 3R. No problem. So by 5 this is cancelled 2 times, and by 3 this is cancelled 4 times. So we can say that 4 into 2, 8. So R square is equal to 8. So R is equal to what? 2 root 2, right? So 2 root 2 is the right answer. 2 root 2 is the right answer. Okay, no problem. R is the radius of the circle. Then find the value of R if R is the radius of the circle. See, so we can say that R is equal to 2 root 2. Yes, is this clear? Any doubt? Yes, in both cases. Yes, please. Any doubt? Okay, so we can say that 2 root 2 is the right answer. Okay, so moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Everyone is requested to like and share the session, please. Yes. A rectangular field has an area of 120 meter square. See, we have a rectangular field. See, rectangular. So this is a rectangular field, right? So if I say that this is length and this is breadth, right? So the area is what? L into B. L into B is equal to what? 120 meter square. No problem in this. Okay. And perimeter is what? Perimeter is twice of L plus B, is going to be 46, right? So we can say that here L plus B is going to be what? 23, right? So L plus B is 23 and LB is equal to 120. So this data is given to us with the help of this story, right? So two poles stand at diagonally opposite ends. See, two poles stand diagonally at opposite ends. So I can say that this, right? And we know that the diagonals are equal, right? Okay, then find the distance between them. See, find the distance between them. See, we have one pole here and one pole here. So we have to calculate the distance. Distance is going, apply the Pythagoras, right? So we can say that this is going to be root L square plus B square, right? L square plus B square. Yes, root of L square plus B square. We know that, my dear friends, see, we know that we can use algebra here. So we can say that L plus B, see, L plus B whole square is going to be L square plus B square plus 2L. Yes, so I can say that L plus B is what? 23. So 23 square minus 2LB, 2 into 120. So this is going to be the value of L square plus B square. So with this formula, with ease, we can calculate the value for L square plus B square, right? So 23 square is what? 529 minus 120 into 2. It is going to be 240, right? So L square plus B square, I can say that. So this is equal to what? 9, 12 minus 4, 8, and 4 minus 2, so 2, right? So 289 is the value for this, right? See, the diagonal So diagonal is going to be root L square plus B square and the square root of 289. We know this is 7, right? So 17, right? So 17 square is equal to 289. So 17 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. So very easy question, right? So C part is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. C. See A minus B. See, my dear friends, we can say you are right, but we don't know what is the value of A minus B, right? We have to apply the formula. We have to apply the concept according to the given information, right? So according to the given information, so this is the best way. This is the best formula, right? If you are going to use another formula, it will take time and you will waste your time, right? Yes, Krishna, is this clear? I hope this is clear to you all, right? Okay. So my dear friends, moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Again, very good question. The percentage of the expenditure of Google and Apple on R&D is 40% and 25% respectively. If the total expenditure on research and development of both companies combined is rupees 6,15,000 crore, right? The expenditure of Apple is 150. See, the expenditure of Apple is 150% more than that of Google. See, the expenditure of Apple is 150% more than. So I can say that the expenditure of Apple is 150% more than Apple. So I can say that if more than Google, sorry. So I can say that if Google expenditure is 100, so it is going to be 250. No problem. So the ratio is going to be 2.5 is to 1, right? So what is Apple's expenditure? So you have to calculate Apple's expenditure. Yes, please. See, this is the total expenditure. So we can say that let total expenditure of Apple is going to be 2.5x and Google is x. Now the question is saying Google and Apple expenditure on R&D is 40%. So Google expenditure is 40%. So we can say that 40% of x, right? 40% of x plus 25% of Apple, right? So 25% of what? This. So 25% of 2.5x. So both sum is going to be what? 6,15,000, right? So no problem in this. So we can say that 25% means what? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. So we can say that 2.5x divided by 4, right? Remove point plus 40% by 2 by 5, right? So 2x. So this is equal to 61530, right? So 40 is the LCM. So we can say that 25 or we can remove, right? So by 5, 8 times. So do not remove this, right? Because otherwise it will take time, right? So just take LCM. LCM is 40, right? So here you will get 25 plus 8 into 2, 16, right? So 40 will transfer to the right side. So we can write 615,000 into 40, right? Yes. So it will become what? So it will become 41, right? So x is equal to 615,000 into 40 divided by 41, right? So here we can say that by 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60, right? So yes, it is cancelled 15 times, right? So 15,000 into 40. So we can say that 15 into 60, 0,000, right? So 6 lakh. So x is equal to 6. What is the Apple's expenditure? See the Apple's expenditure. Apple expenditure is what? Apple expenditure is this. 25% of, so we can say that 5 by 8, right? 25x divided by 40 means what? 5x by 8, right? So 5, the value for x is 6 lakh, right? Just divided by 8. So by 8 this is cancelled how much time? So 8 7 ja 56, 8 5 ja 40, 0 0 0. So 0 0 0, 5 5 ja 25, 2, 5 7 ja 35 or 2. So 3 lakh 75, right? Crore, right? So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So very good question, right? So mark important, very good question. So 3,75,000 is the right answer. Yes. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, if A is 25% less than B and B is 30% more than 125. See, B is 30% more than 125. It means it is 130% of 125. So we can say that by 25, 5 times, this is 4 times, right? Yes. And by 4, this is 4 3 is a 12, 4 2 is a 8.5, right? So we can say that B is going to be what? B is going to be 25.2, 150.5, right? And what is A? So A is 25% less means 80%. So 152.5 into 80%, right? So just calculate this. So this is 4 times, this is 5 times, by 5 this is. So we can say that by 5, 5 3s are 15, 0, then 0.5, right? So we can say that this is going to be 5, 4 5s are 20, 2, 0 2 carry, right? 4 3s are 12. So 1 2 2. Now the question is saying what is the value, then what is the value of A plus B? I think there is a mistake from my side. Calculate it again. If 30% more than 125, 30% more than 125, so this is going to be, tell me what is the answer. See, here the question is saying, B is 30% more than 125. If B is 30% more than 125, so we can say that B is 130% of 125. Simple. Yes. So we can say that 0 0 get cancelled. By 5 this is 2 times, and by 5 this is 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, right? So we can say that by 2 this is 12.5, right? So 12.5 into 13. So 13 5s are 65, 13 2s are 26, 26 or 6, 32, carry 3. So 162.5, right? So 162.5. Yes, is this clear? See, or we can say that just calculate 30% of this. Very simple, right? So 0 0, right? So by 5, 25 divided by 2. So 75 divided by 2. So 37.5. So 37.5 plus, so 0.5, 12, 2, carry 1. Yes, 162.5 is the right. No problem, right? So what is the, and A is 25% less than B. See, B is equal to this. So A is equal to what? 25% less means 75. Yes. So previously I took 80%. So that was my mistake. See, 25% less means 75%. See, here is the 25% less. 25% less means 75%. So we can say that we have to calculate 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4. So just multiply here by 3. So I will get here what? 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 3 6 ja 18, carry 1, 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4, divided by 4. So I will get 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, again 4 1 ja 4, 3, and 4 8 ja 32. So 3 will be left, 4 7 ja then 5, right? Now add up, right? So I will get 5, 7, 8 and 5, 13, carry 1. So 4, 8, 2, right? So 2, 8, 4, yes, C part is the right answer. Now I am right? So this is just simple calculation. This is just simple calculation. Okay. So tell me what is the answer for this question. From a group of boys and girls, 15 girls leave. See, 15 girls leave. There are then left 2 boys for each girl. See, in a group we have, G number of girls and B number of boys. Girls are G and boys are B. The question is saying 15 girls leave. When 15 girls leave, see, when 15 girls leave, it means now the girls are 15 less. When 15 girls leave, there are then left 2 boys. See, 2 boys for each girls means number of boys are going to be twice of the girls. See, when 15 girls leave, in that case there are 2 boys on each girl. It means what? The number of boys are twice than number of girls. Simple. Got the point? So I can say that the twice of the girls number is equal to boys. So this is the simply meaning, right? And after this 45 boys, if 45 boys leave, see, 15 girls have already left, right? If 45 boys left, now the question is saying there are 5 girls for each boy. Means for each boy we have 5 girls. Means the number of girls are 5 times of the number of boys. So in that case we can say that this is equal to 5 times of the girls. Very interesting, very good question, right? Very good and very confusing question. Many students get confused. But I am clear, I am confident you are not confused, right? So tell me. So from first we can say that we can solve this. See, twice of girls minus 30 is equal to boy, right? B. Yes. So just put B is equal to this in the second, right? So we can say that 5G minus 75. Just substitute the value for B. Here twice of G minus 30 minus 45, right? See. So we can say that 75 minus 75 get cancelled. The number of girls, how it is possible? See, this is 30. Yes. So 45. So minus 35. Yes. So we can say that if they get cancelled, see, there are then left, after this 45 boys leaves, there are then 5 girls for each boy. The number of girls in the beginning. Yes, please do the calculation. See, so my mistake, see, that's why I'm saying that there's a confusion, right? So mistake is what? See, mistake is what? See, now the question is saying, just read the question carefully. Question is saying there are 5 girls, not the boys, 5 girls for each boys. See, 5 girls for each boys, it means that number of girls are already 5 times, right? So we will multiply here 5, right? See, so the equation will be 5 times of the b minus 45. Now the equation is correct. See, girls are already extra. We have to make them equal. So we have to multiply 5 in boys group, right? See, then there are 5 girls for each boy. 5 girls for each boy means the girls are 5 times in comparison to boy, right? So if we are putting equal, so we are not going to multiply for girls unit, right? Otherwise they will become more. Girls are already more. In second equation, girls are already more, right? So this was my mistake. Sorry for that, right? So now substitute value for b, right? Now substitute value for b or g. This is up to you, right? So just substitute value for g minus 15 is equal to 5b. B stand for 2g minus 30 and minus 5 into 45. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 4s are 20 and 2. So we can say that g minus 15 is equal to 10g minus 150 minus 225. So this will become 375. So 375. So 375 minus 15 is equal to 10g minus g. So here I will get 9g, right? So 9g is equal to 375 minus 50, 360, right? So we can say that g is equal to what? 9 4 ja 36. So g is equal to 40, right? So the girls are beginning is 40. So 40 is the right answer. Yes. Again, very good question. So tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, 18x square plus 3x square y minus 13xy square minus 2y square. So this expression is going to this, right? So just multiply this, right? So we can say that 6x. So I will get 6. Could you do this? Yes. See. So can you see that? I think this is a formula. Yes, I think this is a formula. Just compare it, right? Just compare, just compare. See, so this is A part, this is B part, right? So we can say that for here I will get what? So 18x square plus 3x square y minus 13xy square plus 2y cube. Just do it. Yes, please. Try this question. Yes, please. See, we can write this. We will have to solve this, right? Because there is nothing is left. See, we have to take 6x common, right? If we have to take 6x common, so what we can do? We can split. See, we have to take 6x common anyhow. So we can split this 6xy square minus 7x y square. Yes. So try this. So you have to try hard, right? Because this is not easy. So we can say that we can write this 6x minus y. See, 6x minus y see 3x square plus xy minus 2y square. 3x square plus xy minus 2y square, right? So multiply this by 6x, right? Then minus y 3x square plus xy plus 2y square, right? So you will get what? Take minus here. Minus 2y square, right? So we can say that this is common. So we can write 6x. We can split this, right, in both. So we can say that 6x minus y is equal to 3x square plus xy minus 2y square, right? Got the point? So you have to try hard for this question. So after comparing this structure to this structure, we can say that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 2. Now the question is asking A plus B divided by 2B minus 3C, right? So we can say that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 minus 2, right? So we can say that 4 divided by 2, 3 into, so plus 6, right? So 4 divided by 8, right? So we can say that 1 by 2 is the right answer, okay? So 1 by 2 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. 1 by 2 is the right answer, yes? 1 by 2 is the right answer. 1 by 2 is the right answer. So try this question, very good question, right? Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a man is standing at the top of a tower. A man is standing at the top of a tower and is watching a boat speeding away from the tower, right? So this is a tower and man is standing at the tower, right? Man is standing at the top of a tower. See, this is a tower and man is standing here. Man is standing here, right? So from this point he is watching a boat speeding away, which is speeding away from the tower, means this is going in this direction, right? The boat makes an angle of depression of 45 with the man's eye when a distance of 60 meter from the bottom of the tower. After 5 seconds, the angle of the depression becomes, see, so here the angle of depression is what? 45, right? So the distance is what? From the bottom of the tower is 60 meter, right? 60 meter, right? So this distance is given. And now after 5 seconds, see, now the boat is here. So after 5 seconds, so angle is going to be 30 degree. Yes. So after 5 seconds, so we can say that the distance traveled from this point to this point, so that is covered in 5 seconds, right? Yes, see, the angle of depression is this. So we can say that the angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So we can write here. Got the point? Because this is the horizontal line, parallel, right? So what is the approximate speed of the boat assumed? See, so can you calculate this distance? If you can calculate, we have time. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Very easy. So using the 1045 is 1:1, right? And 1030 is what? 1. The complete is going to be √3, right? So just make, so this is equal to 1. So we can say that this from this point to this point is going to be √3 minus 1, right? So 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to 60. So √3 minus 1 is going to 60 bracket √3 minus 1. Take the value for √3. So 60 bracket 1.73 minus 1. So we can say that 60 into 0.73, right? So this is the distance, right? So traveled in 5 seconds. So what is the speed? So we can say that 60 into 0.73 divided by 5. Just convert it into kilometer per hour and solve this. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this. So after solving this, we will get what? We will get 31.5, right? So 31.5 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Okay. So we can say that A part is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this question belongs to mensuration section. Yes, hollow cylinder. A metallic hollow cylinder of inner and outer radius. Inner radius is this, outer radius is this. So what is the volume for hollow? So we can say that the volume for hollow cylinder, is going to be pi h bracket r square minus small r square. Outer radius capital R, inner radius small r, right? And for another metallic, after melting this, right, metallic solid cylinder of the radius a centimeter. So we can say that the volume of both is going to be equal. So we can say that pi h r square means what? 10 square minus 6 square must be equal to pi h2 into r2, so what, that is a, right? Yes. And height of the both cylinder is same. See, height is the both, so we are going to take h, right? So pi h get cancelled. So we can say that, see, a square. So a square is equal to what? 100 minus 36, so 64. So a is equal to 8. Very easy question. So a is equal to 8. See, whenever a 3D figure is melted and another figure is generated, right, or created, so in that case we can say that the volume of old figure is going to be the sum of the volume of new figure, right? Yes. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Take your time and give the answer for this question. See, so what we have to do, we have to convert it. See, a square plus 4b square, or we can write 4b square as 2b square, right, plus c square plus we need a square 2a, so we can split in, right? So 8a can be written as 2 into how much? 4 into a, right, minus 12 can be written as 2 into 2b into what? 4 into 3, yes, plus 2c we can write 2 into c into 1 plus 26 is equal to 0, right? Yes. See, so we need a square. So here we need, here is the 4. So we need 16, right? So we can split 26. See, plus 26 is equal to 0. So we can split 26 as 16. Then plus how much? 9 plus 1, right? Yes. So we can say that. So we will get perfect square for, see, a square. So this is 4 square, right? A square, 4 square and 2ab, right? So we can say that a plus 4 square, likewise plus 2b. Here is the minus, right? So minus 3 whole square, then plus c plus 1 whole square, right, is equal to 0. Did you get this? Yes. So we will get this form. Okay. So after comparing, we can say that if this is equal to 0, so this portion must be equal to 0, this portion must be equal to 0, and this portion will also be 0. So we can say that a plus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equal to what? Minus 4, right? If 2b minus 3 is equal to 0, so we can say that b is equal to 3 by 2 and c plus 1 is equal to 0. So c is equal to minus 1, right? So we have to calculate the value for 4a. 4a what? 4 bracket minus 4 minus 6. b is what? 3 by 2 plus 5. c is what? Minus 1. Then divided by minus 4 plus b bracket 3 by 2 plus minus 1, right? So just solve this. So minus 16 3 times, so minus 9 minus 5 divided by minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So here I will get what? 5 and 9. This is going to be minus 14, so minus 30, right? Divided by minus 5 plus, so minus 2. So I think I will get 15, right? So 15 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. Yes, yes, Abhijit, you are right. 15 is the right answer. Yes, 15 is the right answer. So could you tell me what is the answer of this question? See, the price of commodity increases by 28%. However, the expenditure on it is increases by 12%. See, the price is increased by 28%. It means if I am getting something, let's x quantity, if I am getting x quantity for rupees 100, so after increase of price, I will get the same amount for rupees 128. But the household is saying he want to increase only 12%. It means he want to expend only 112. Now the question is, what is the percentage increase or decrease in the consumption? See, we have to track the, so we can say that how much less he is going to spend. So we can say that he is going to spend how much less? 16 less, right? So he will get 16 less quantity, right? So we can say that's less of 16 divided by 128 into 100. So this is going to decrease in consumption, right? So this is going to decrease in consumption, right? This is 8 times 16, 8 ja. So we can say that 12.5% decrease, right? 12.5% decrease. So there is a shortcut for this. So whenever you get this question, just take the difference of this, right? So that take difference is what? 16%. So just take 16%. So there is a decrease and take 128 into 100, right? Because 28% increase. So after solving this, you will get 12.5% and that is the decrease, right? So 12.5% decrease in consumption, right? So I think this is all from my side for today, right? See, my dear friends, if you are preparing for the SSC exam, RRB exam, no problem, right? So just go to the oliveboard website. If you want to prepare yourself in a most curative way, right, in a organized way, and you need guidance. So you can check it out our website. So after reaching my website or after reaching oliveboard website, you will get 48% flat off, right, on the courses, right? So just cross this and click on the course section. Let's see what are courses are available. So just moving down to the fourth column, right, you will get there are lots of courses, right? So you can see that we have Railway Foundation 1.0, very fresh batch, right? So if you are targeting for the next session or this session also, right, if you feel that you are not comfortable with the base, right, so you can start your journey from very scratch, right? And after starting your journey from very scratch, you will feel confidence just after the 30 minutes, right? 30 days, just after the 30 days you will feel the difference, right? Your concept will be clear. You will get good command over the content, right? You will get the latest exam pattern question. You will get the exam approach also, right? So everything you can cover with ease, right? So if you want to preparing for the tier 2 exam, so we have a score booster batch, right? So in this batch you can quickly revise your complete syllabus, right? Or with this batch you can easily increase your marks from 25 to 30, right? So yes, we also have SSC foundation batch 3.0, right? So 2 batch already started, now this is 3 batch, right? So you can also join if you are targeting for the next session for the SSC. So this is the best batch. From the scratch we are going to start and taking you to the top, right? So these are the running batches, and if you have any query, so you can just WhatsApp on the number which is available on the website. Okay, so this is from my side. This is all from my side. So thank you very much for today, right? So that's all. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Stay tuned with us. I come live at 5 p.m. on daily basis, so don't forget to catch me at 5 p.m. sharp. Jai Hind.